What's the best way to stop carbon buildup in a direct injection engine, or GDI? Well, as you can see, we have an oil catch can, but to make it much more effective, a much longer inlet hose for your oil catch can, well, this will allow the blow-by and vapor to cool, allowing your oil catch can to gather more of the oil. Even the breather side of the PCB system, I have installed a way so we can catch all the oil that enters this as well. In other words, make sure you allow the blow-by time to cool down. This is significantly going to reduce your carbon buildup on your intake valves. Thank you guys for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.